Ready or not, video is quickly taking over the world of real estate. But for most agents, the hardest part of making videos is knowing where to start. Creating your own monthly market update is an easy way to kick off your video marketing and differentiate yourself in your marketplace. The KCM Monthly Market Report is the perfect resource for doing this. And since it comes with a script and slides you can download, most of the work is already done for you. So today, I'm going to show you how to turn your monthly market report into a simple video that keeps your clients up to date on the latest housing insights. Step 1, put together your script. Your script can be however long you want it to be, depending on what content you like to cover in your video. Maybe you just want to cover one topic, or maybe you want to recreate your own monthly market update. It's all up to you. From there, you can pull what you want from the monthly market report scripts and create a unique intro and outro. For an intro, I would do something like this.
Hi there, it's Sara, your local knowledge broker right here in Richmond, Virginia. Today I'm back with my monthly Sara Sells series, where I'm going to discuss the market both nationally and locally. Let's go ahead and dive right in.
Now for the outro. Try to keep it short and sweet with a direct call to action. Here's an example.
I hope you enjoyed today's market update. Be sure to check me out next month when I discuss why the chance of a foreclosure crisis is 0%. And don't forget to follow me on social media at KCM Crew Sara. See you next time.
Add in any details you want, including local data or other information that makes it your own. And that's it, the script is done. Step 2, download the slides and create a presentation. The way you want to present your slides is ultimately up to you, but we like to put together a small presentation in PowerPoint or Google Slides. With this, you can add in your own branding, stylize your template, and personalize it however you'd like. Step 3, record your video. There are a few different ways you can record your video depending on how much work you want to do. For example, you could record on your phone or camera. However, you would need to take the time to add in the slides after. For these videos, we recommend making it simple by using Zoom or another video conferencing platform. Here's how you do it.
Here I am logged into my Zoom account. So from here, all you need to do is go to the top right-hand corner where it says host a meeting and click with video on. Then you're going to click on open Zoom. So now your video is up full screen, and this is where you would do your custom intro for your video. And if you want to walk through each individual slide, all you need to do is go down to the bottom and click on share screen. And I already have my slides loaded here in PowerPoint, so I'm going to select my PowerPoint presentation, click on share, and then I'm going to put it in presenter mode. So here are my slides with me on camera, and I can walk through each one of them. And that's all there is to it.
You can upload the video to YouTube, social media, or send it out in a monthly newsletter. And if you want to enhance your marketing with video, there's no easier way to do it than by using your KCM Monthly Market Report. If you want to create simple and impactful videos using the Monthly Market Report, go to trykcm.com to start your 14-day free trial.